Thank you.
What about catch his breath a little bit, because we need to catch your breath after that amazing performance as well. Song number. Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be here with you tonight. I'm your host for the 2024 Anbuhan Asia Tour fan meeting. Hello in Manila. Hi Leo. Thank you so much. Would you like to say hi to your family? I heard that you prepared something in Tagalog.
Mabuhay. Ako po si Anbuhan. So this is the one that I prepared. Make sure to practice more, okay?
Let's give them a round of applause. That was adorable. We love hearing you speak in Tagalog. We're so happy you're here. How do you feel about seeing your Manila Pushirigis in person today?
아니 짓궂은 날씨에도 이렇게 많은 분들이 나와주셔서 정말 여행보다 어떤 마닐라에 오게 되었는데 너무 감회가 새롭고 정말 와주셔서 진심으로 감사하다는 말씀을 드리고 싶습니다.
Though it's a bad weather today, I'm very happy that a lot of you guys actually came here. It's surreal that it's not a vacation, but I came here for a fan meeting. Thank you so much, guys.
Bad weather is not going to stop us from showing some love, right? Again, we're so happy you're here. I hope you take home a lot of love from your Manila fans, and I know that you prepared a lot to repay that love to